Okay, just to give you an idea, that's a walnut tree, to give you an idea of scale. This kite has been almost stationary for about the last 5 or 6 minutes since I noticed it. Anyway, if I can get it on video. Where am I looking? No, typical now. Now I'm trying to get it on video, I can't see it. Come on. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Right. So 50 times zoom. This is over Cambridge. I would say it's roughly over the Mill Road area. Let's keep going. Let's go 70 times zoom. That's 100 times zoom, just to give you an idea. Magnify it, and you can see it's clearly got this trail of material. There's 2 bits controlling it at the back. It's very flat. It's almost like the shape of an umbrella. When you see it, when it turns, you see like that? It's almost shaped up, but it's almost flat. I've never seen. It's some sort of a kite, but how could you be flying it at that height? Oh, look at that, it just dived. Let me zoom out a bit. Let's take it down to 70 times zoom. So it is adjusting to the wind. I don't know if somebody's flying this remotely or what. Could it be remote control in some way? I don't see how it's flying on its own. And it can't possibly be like you see people on the beach and they've got like a cable that goes all the way up to a kite. I can't see how you'd have a cable as high as that. That's probably a mile up. Let's keep going. 120 times. 160 times. Look at that. It's almost stationary in terms of, I say that, and of course it makes a course change, but it's been in almost exactly the same spot in the sky for about the last 5-6 minutes. Every now and then it does a little dive like that, but it's almost holding the same spot. As I said, filmed in Cambridge. It's now 7:55 PM. Monday the 5th of May 2025. Somebody spotted something like this a few days ago in the Cambridge area. They managed to get a photo of it. Don't know if anybody's managed to get a video of this yet. But I have. Look at that. I'm just going to zoom out again. Let's get back down to... That's 50 times zoom. Yeah, it's just holding. If I zoom out, put it in relation to some other objects, you'll see it's almost stationary. So what on earth is this? Somebody can explain to me if it's could it be a radio controlled kite? Is there such a thing? I said I just can't see how somebody's operating this from the ground using a cable, like a thin line, like a fishing line kind of thread going up to it to control it. That's 70 times zoom. That's about the most I've seen it diving around for a while. There is a breeze, so obviously it's fighting the wind to stay aloft, stay balanced, but it's, very odd. Not seen an object like this over Cambridge ever, I don't think. Let's go for one more zoom in. 110 times. Actually, let's go even more. 130. 150. 170. The problem is when it suddenly changes direction, you're zoomed in like that, it's going to go off the screen. But I don't think there's anything written on it, but every now and then you get kind of a whitish looking... sorry, it's extremely awkward the way I'm having to film. I'm leaning out of a window, I'm doing some kind of strange yoga. Right, that's back to 50 times zoom. Yeah, it's just holding almost exactly the same spot in the sky. So I don't know what's going on. 94 times zoom, 180, 250 times zoom. See that whitish edge? I don't think it's writing. It might just be how the light's hitting the side of that black, almost umbrella shaped, some sort of a kite, and you can see there's two bits attached to the back of it to control it, and then you've got that ribbon that's hard to tell how long that is. But the object itself, it's got to be a few meters across, I would say, at least. Oh, it's coming a little bit further towards me, just then. Yeah, it's definitely coming a little bit further towards me. Oh, sorry, I'm in pain filming this. Very strange. It looks like it's getting a tiny bit closer to me and a tiny bit lower. But it's almost exactly the same spot. And I can say that because if I zoom out, based on the trees below it, it's been holding that same position ever since I've been filming, and a few minutes before when I made a previous video. So anyway, I'll upload this footage. If you know what it is or who's operating it, please get in contact with me. I'd love to know who's operating this and what it is. Exact model of this type of kite. Right, thanks for watching, folks. Click like if you like this, subscribe to me, and click on playlist, you can find all my videos. Thanks for watching, folks. Bye bye.